How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English with subtitles or with English subtitles or English dubbed. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipan, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English or English dub or sub. Now, it is officially available, the dubbed version or the subbed version. It is officially available on Hulu and Funimation. You can simply head into your browser and you can search in for Hulu or Funimation and you can watch it there. Now, both Crunchyroll and Netflix have the entire show with every episode of all 21 seasons, but only the original Japanese dub with English subtitles is available for the subscribers. So if you want to watch it on English subtitle, you can watch it on Netflix or Crunchyroll, or if you want to watch it on dubbed version, then you can watch it officially on Hulu and Funimation. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.